Hello again, everyone. Back again. Uh, Welcome again. We're just going to do two strategies today. It seems like everyone's getting really, really good with their strategies. What I'd like for you to do is now work on the 8 times strategy and the 9 times strategy. So the first one that we're going to do is we're going to do the 8 times strategy, and I'll teach you a really, really simple way whenever you're stuck to multiply by 8. Okay? And this is on our sheet that we've been working on as well. So if I have a problem, 8 times 7, okay? Well, what the strategy says is take your number that you're multiplying by 8, so it's the 7, and double it one time, okay? And what's 7 plus 7? 14. What it says to do then, step 2, double 14. So what's 14 plus 14? Well, 4 plus 4 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. And the last step it says to do is take that number that you found and double that number. Okay? So 28 plus 28. So what's 8 plus 8? So put it down there. Your answer is going to be 6 with a 1. So 1 plus 2 is 5. So there's my answer for 8 times 7. So double. I'm getting a little better at marking this stuff down. Double 3 times. So when I say that, you're doubling that number, then that number, and that number. So there's where you're doubling it 3 times, okay? So I'll double the 7, double the 14, double the 28. So what I want you to do now, okay, and for practice, I want you to try 8 times 8 using that strategy, 8 times 5 using that strategy, and 8 times 10 using that strategy. All right. So let's move on to our 9 times strategy. So take a few minutes. You can pause it right now. Just work on those three strategies in the way that I just taught you. So let's, right now, we'll get back to our 9 times strategies. And I know Miss Toombs taught you probably the easiest way to multiply by 9 is using your fingers. Okay, it is a very, very easy strategy. This strategy is a little bit different. Okay, to get the answer, multiply the other number by 10, and then subtract the other number once. Huh? All right, so let's look at the problem. Oops. 9 times 6. Okay? So what the problem says to do is multiply the other number, 6, by 10. So 10 times 6 is what? 6 times 10, 60. And then it says take this number that you work with and subtract it from your answer. Okay? So 60 take away 6. Well, I know I can't do 0 take away 6, so I got to borrow. I can do 10 take away 6. 10 take away 6 is 4. 5 take away nothing. You're still left with 5. Geez, that was pretty slick, wasn't it? A few people who aren't really getting the finger trick. That's really easy. Let's try 9 times 3. Okay, and I'll do the same thing with you. So it says multiply 10 by the other number. And remember, the other number is 3 in this problem. It's always that second number. So what's 10 times 3? 30. And then all it says is take that other number and subtract it from your answer. So 30 take away 3. 10 take away 3 is 7. 2 take away. Ooh, that is easy. That is an easy, easy way if you are stuck and can't use your fingers, okay, to work on this problem. I'd love for you to try 9 times 9. And let's do 9 times 7. Those are a couple of the hard math problems that without your fingers, okay? So don't do your fingers. Try the strategy that I just said. Use this strategy. First thing you're going to do, multiply the other number by 9 and then subtract the other number, which in this case is 9. In this problem, multiply the other number, by 10, so 10 times 7, take away 7. You should get your answer. Thanks. Have a good weekend. I will see you guys on Monday. Next week, we're going to be having our quiz on we're going to go back and do a little bit of review. So we're going to have a bigger quiz. So it's going to be the 4, 5, and 6 times tables. Thanks. Have a good weekend.